Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Abache, and I am a accredited seller of DMCA Home. So today, tara samahan nyo ako at i-discuss ko sa inyo yung mga sample computations natin para kay Allegra Garden Place. Okay po. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel. So today naman, tara samahan nyo ako i-discuss ko kayo sa discuss ko sa inyo yung project updates ko para kay Allegra Garden Place. Best Investments by Mitch Abache, and I am an accredited seller of DMCA Home. Hello po, sa po kayo. So, for this video, I will discuss to you yung mga sample computations natin kay Allegra Garden Place kasi marami pong nagre-request na na magpakita ko ng video ulit for the sample computation. So regularly ko naman siya ginagawa pero medyo na busy lang ho ako, kaya right now ito mag-upload tayo ng video ulit para sa mga sample computations natin, para sa mga projects natin. So unahin natin ngayon si Allegra Garden Place. Okay, so for those sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, quick information muna tayo about this project. So Allegra Garden Place is located along Pasig Boulevard, okay, in Barangay Bagong Ilog, Pasig City. So kung nadadaan kayo sa Bagong Ilog flyover going to Market, going to BGC, makikita nyo to sa right side. So right now, ito nasa kabilang building ako. Actually, naki-Prisma Residences ako. So si Allegra Garden Place is yung dalawang pinakamataas na building dito sa area na to. So because Allegra Garden Place consists of 56 and 55 story residential floors. Okay, so kay Camila Building and kay Saraya Building. Okay, and also for this project also we're offering a studio unit, a 1-bedroom unit, a 2-bedroom unit, and a 3-bedroom unit. The 3-bedroom unit natin sometimes may nagre-reopen, like ngayon today may nagre-open pero nakuha na rin ulit kasi kagaya na nabagit ko from my past video, mabilis po makuha ang mga 3-bedroom units natin sa mga high-rise buildings natin, especially dito kay Allegra Garden Place, kay Prisma Residences, kasi napakaganda yung location niya. Ang location nito ni Allegra Garden Place is in between two of our major business district, okay, particularly kay Artigas Business District and kay Bonifacio Global City, okay. And ang kagandahan dito, itong location na to is very accessible po because katabi yung National Road natin, C5 Road it is a very busy street, madaling puntahan, okay, and then malapit ito bukod po sa dalawang business district, malapit ito sa mga malls like si Capital Commons, si Shangri-La Mall, si SM Mega Mall, Robinsons Galleria. So malapit din ito pagdating sa hospital, St. Luke's BGC, and kay Medical City, okay, Artigas, malapit rin ito. And ano pa ba ang mga malapit dito pagdating sa mga schools? University of Asian Pacific, malapit rin ito kay St. Paul College Pasig, kay Ateneo Business School dito sa Miracle, malapit sa Medical City, malapit din dito project na to. Okay, so yan. So before ko po i-discuss yung mga computations natin, yung current promo natin for this project is yung 12% down payment hanggang 36 months. Although ready for occupancy na yung project na to, itong dalawang building na to, right now ongoing yung turnover natin kay Saraya Building. So for those kung gusto ninyong mag-avail ng ito a monthly down payment term, na parang naging pre-selling na rin siya. So ito yung pinaka-flexible na payment term natin, na 12% down payment in 36 months with 1% discount. Para doon sa mga hindi pa nagmamadali na gustong mag-invest, pwede naman po yun. Or kung para doon sa mga naghahanap naman ng mga ready to occupy units, Allegra Garden Place might fit your requirement. So ito na, simulan natin yung computation. So let's start with the studio unit na 30 square meters, okay, kay Saraya Building, na amounting to 5.1 million. Okay, so maglalas tayo ng 1% discount na amounting 51,000. So ang net total price natin will fall at 5,054,000. So let's get the 12% down payment amounting to 606,000 and less the reservation fee of 20,000. So ang net down payment natin is at 586,000 592. Ito na equally divide natin into 36 months. Okay, so for 36 months, ang monthly down payment natin is 16,294. And then yung remaining balance natin na 4.4M, ito na yung ilaloan natin kay bank plus a closing fees of 530,000. So, ang estimated na monthly amortization natin, a maximum of 20 years at 35,000, 15 years at 40,000, 10 years at 51,000 pesos. Okay? And then, yung next naman natin is for the 1-bedroom unit na 38 square meters and it is priced at 6.4 million. So, magle-less tayo ng 1% discount. Magle-less tayo ng 64,450. So, ang net contract price natin for a 1-bedroom unit na 38 square meters is at 6.3 million 80,000. So, let's get the 12% down payment amounting to 12%, amounting to 765,000 and less a reservation fee of 20,000. So, ang net down payment natin is at 745,000 pesos. So, ang monthly down payment natin for 36 months for a 1-bedroom unit is at 20,712. Okay? Yun yung monthly down payment natin for 36 months. And then yung remaining balance natin na amounting to 5.6 million. Okay? Plus the closing fees of 669,000. Ito na yung magiging loanable amount natin. So, pwede ito through bank financing or in-house financing. So, if you will push through to bank financing, a maximum of 20 years, ang estimated natin na monthly amortization is at 44,000, for 15 years at 51,000 a month, and for 10 years at 65,000 pesos a month. And then lastly, yung 2-bedroom unit natin na 60 square meters. So, ito yung marami nagtatanong. So, ang price nito differs depende sa view and then depende sa floor level. Okay, so ito I computed at a rate of 8.8 million. Okay, so magle-less tayo ng 1% promo discount. So it's around 88,000. So ang net contract price natin magpo-fall sa 8.7M. So let's get a 12% down payment amounting to 1 million and less a reservation fee of 20,000. So ang net down payment is at 1,027,222. Ito na equally divide natin for 36 months. So, napakababaan ng monthly payment po ninyo dito. So, for 36 months, 2-bedroom unit 60 square meters, ang monthly down payment ninyo is at 28,533. Okay? And then, the remaining balance ninyo na 7.6 million plus the closing fees of 900,000. Ito na yung magiging loanable amount natin. So, maximum of 20 years at 61,000, for 15 years at 70,000 pesos. And for 10 years at 89,000 pesos. Okay? Ayun. So, that concludes my sample computations po for our projects Allegra Garden Place. Okay? So, if you want to know more about this project, nandyan yung numbers ko. Naka-flash sa screen yung may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger. Pero dyan, pwede tayo mag-schedule online presentation via Zoom, via Google Meet. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site view. Pwede ko kayong dalhin dito sa napakagandang project ito na si Allegra Garden Place. Okay? So again, thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button sa mga YouTube natin. And sa Facebook po natin, please do follow me on my Facebook page or on my Facebook profile po. And also please like also the video. Okay? So thank you. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.